This is a quick video all about semicolons and how to use them effectively. The examiner or readers or whoever's marking your work will look favourably upon semicolons because they are regarded as a more complex type of punctuation. So if you can use them effectively, then that will be a good thing. You also don't have to go overboard with them. So sometimes when you teach students how to use semicolons, they think they have to put them in every sentence. You don't. That's overkill. Maybe just using one or two in a writing response would be effective and would be enough. So semicolons have two main jobs. On the right-hand side first, they can separate items in a long list. So in effect, they do exactly the same job as a comma. Many people prefer to use commas instead, and semicolons have really gone out of fashion recently, but really they do exactly the same job as a comma. That might be a simple way to remember them. But on the left-hand side there, semicolons can also be used to link ideas together in the same sentence. So this is what I just want to focus on because I think this is the more complex job that semicolons have. I think we can all get our heads around using them in a list, like a comma, but semicolons essentially do the same job as a conjunction. So we have words in English like and, or but, or plus, or because, and all of these words join information together. They are conjunctions. And in effect, semicolons do exactly the same job as these words in a sentence. They have exactly the same function. So we have here four examples of four compound sentences. They're compound sentences because compound sentences tell you two bits of information in the same sentence, and the two bits of information in that sentence are joined together with a conjunction. So you can see here that we have four sentences, all of which join two bits of information in the same sentence. Very simply, all we have to do to demonstrate accurate use of semicolons is we can write the same four sentences, but this time remove the conjunction and instead put a semicolon in its place. So if we look at that top example, Sue was walking down the street to the shop, semicolon, she posted a letter on the way. That's fine. That semicolon can also be and. So it does exactly the same job. So I often find that that's the simplest and easiest way to teach students how to use semicolons effectively. Okay.